Hi, CS5540 Principles of Big Data Management. Here we use the term travel for our Twitter data analysis. Team members are Kamal Tej, Bhargavi and Lakshmi Vaishnavi. So people have different thoughts, interests and hobbies. Travel is something that is universally thought as a subject of interest by many people. Some travel gives memories for life, whereas some teaches about different aspects of it. There are other benefits, but whatever it is, we cannot know until we experience it by traveling. Social media acts as a platform for interacting, sharing our experiences actively with others. We selected travel as a choice because it's the most searched term used in Twitter by many people. Technologies we used: Hadoop, Cloudera, IntelliJ, Apache Spark, Scala, Python, and Twitter. IntelliJ Spark is used for extracting analysis tweets. So in phase 1 we did creating a Twitter application in Twitter, collected Twitter data tweets and saved them in a JSON file, extracted the hashtags and URLs in Twitter data from JSON file and saved it in a text file. Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark are used to find word count on hashtags and URLs. This is how a sample Twitter application looks like. Here you can see the name is Kamal Tej, you get a consumer key, consumer secret, access token secret. We use them in this Python code where is place the consumer key and consumer secret here. Here we used different words like vacation, which is shash, travel, vacation, nature hash, in order to get tweets. So in order to extract hashtags and URLs using the Python code, these are the following we use. So the format for hashtag extraction is hashtag slash text, etc. These and URLs you can see as follows. In phase 2, we get the analytical queries and we visualize them using Tableau. As you can see here, query 1, it's travel passionate people and what they see. Like Alexander Weiser, he describes it like it is really some wonderful or beautiful, whatever it is, the word that comes before the word travel and after the word travel is, we get the text here and the name of the person who wrote it. You can see the visualization as here. This is the screen name of the users and this is the text they visualized before and after the word travel. So, and query 2, here we discuss the most tweets that are from USA or UK. As you can see here, this shows the locations and the number of followers count. Here the text contains travel and user claim starts with yeah, just made a little modification. So you can see the location and as you can see here the number of followers count is like 15 trillion 36 and 152 to 9. Different locations are marked with different colors. You can see the pie chart here. Next, the top 10 places visited by most of the people, like Lithuania, GA, Motherberg, Northwest Devon, Varanasi, India. So you can see the different places here in the map, and I showed a sample like in United States. You visited United States, so count of the country is 3,730. Similarly, each country has their respective colors and the count as the people number of counts increase here. So this is the total tweets from different time zones for our query 4. You can see the Pacific time zone has the highest 17,631 tweets, like followed by Eastern time, Central time, London, P2, Atlantic Mountain, etc. You can see the visualization here. As I explained before, Pacific time has the highest, followed by Eastern time and Central time and London. Yeah, this is the sensitivity of the tweets that we have obtained. Either you have a null or a true or a false value, which can be seen through the visualizations like a graph like this, null and a true and a false. And the query 6, here we select the user screen name based on the follower favorites count. So here different users have different favorite counts and different each one of them has different color representing them. So we represent mostly the people with 0 million to 1 million, 2 million. These are the million counts. So we show it in here in the graph. And for the query 7, we select the language and the language count came from it. If you had English, the count you can see is 88,144. As you can see in the visualization here, English is as follows, and then French, everything. The most liked person, we can see that verified users are now 1112. So either it is a null value, it's a false value, or a true value. So as verified retweeters, count increases, square box size increases. And then top 10 verified users in United States based on their followers count. You can see Donald Trump, Associated Press, Washington Post, CNN, everything is based on the name and some of the followers count. Next we go to query 10, where we have the traveling text and screen name that starts and ends with an A, like Anuj Sena, Asperenica. Everything starts with an A here, ends with an A here. Yeah. So in order to get that, I just made a little modification. Instead of getting for beginning start with end with A, I just took all the tweets at first. So you can see the screen name here, the favorites count, followers count, friends count. Next we have more with the word A, letter A. So starting with letter A, so you can see the screen name that starts with letter A, the number of favorite counts per quoted status, followers count per each individual user, and friends count for each individual user. So these are the top users using their follower count from Donald Trump, CBS, CNN, everything. You can see how it works. Screen name is say AP, followers count is, you can see the number below. And finally, the word cloud based on data. These are the top 15 hashtags we have discovered in our Twitter travel data application. Travel data, that is nature. Most of the entries are with the nature. Count of text that hashtags is 1,129. Thank you.